Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Prerna Nikam and in this video I am going to show you grey halo makeup look. So please continue watching. I have cleansed my face. I have a combination skin, so I'm going in with the water-based moisturizer. It comes in the gel form like this. Just warming it up and going to massage it really well into my skin. If you want a flawless base, you need to moisturize yourself and massage it really well into your skin. Next up, I am going in with the primer by My Glam Tinted Perfection. It's just going to blur out my pores and mattifies my skin. Next up, I'm going in with the corrector by Maybelline in the orange color around my eyes, around my mouth where I have a discoloration, and on the pigmented spots that I have on my face. It cancels out all the darkness. Bought these two foundations online, but they turn out to be really different. This one is little darker for my skin and this one is little lighter, but I'm going to mix this two and let's see how it works. Applying where I wanted the darker shade and where I wanted the lighter one. Looks funny. But with the blending brush, I'm going to blend this in, just pushing this in and not really dragging it. But I think it's little lighter for me. Never buy foundations online, guys. This is really light. Let's go a little darker with this. Let's blend in quickly. Yes, now it matches. This is certainly very light, but I ordered the darkest shade available. Next up, I'm gonna conceal with Fit Me Maybelline in the shade Medium 25 under my eyes, then on my nose, forehead, and around my mouth because I have a very dark area around my mouth, onto my cheekbones and under the contour line as well. As it's an Indian wedding, it's going to be a little heavy look. Now going in with my concealer brush, just pressing it into the areas that I need to and not dragging the product, just pressing it in and above the lids also. Blending certainly helps for flawless base. Now let's pack it up with my Fit Me loose powder in the shade Medium 25 again. And also I'm going to set my foundation with the same powder. As I have a combination skin, so at the end it should not look little greasy or oily. Next up, I'm going to do my brows. I have got this pencil from Miniso in the shade brown. It has a spoolie from one side and it has the pencil from the other side. I have a very thick eyebrow, so I'm just going to fill in the gaps. Now let's start with the eyes. With eyeshadow blending brush, I am going in with this white as a transition shade into my crease in the back and forth motion like this. Now with the grey shade, let's go a little deeper into the crease so that it will give depth to my eyes. Now going little darker and just blending it into my crease. Now using the smaller blending brush, and I'm using my hand very lightly and also holding the brush at the middle part for easy strokes. I am going to keep the middle part empty as it's a halo eye look and just going to blend it really well in the back and forth motion. Now with the bigger blending brush, I am just lightly going to blend all the colors in so that it will not look very patchy or difference between the shade. Just go very lightly in back and forth motion like this. Now let's pack the middle portion with the concealer like this so that we can pack the glitters very nicely. Done with the other eye as well. Just look up and check the end of the concealer till where you have to apply. Pack it with the loose powder very nicely and leave it for 1 minute. Now applying the base coat of white eyeshadow on both the lids. Now again with the bigger blending brush, I am going to blur out the sharp edges of the concealer into the shadow so that it will not look different. Now going in with this light sky blue shade into my lid. My dad got this palette for me long time back. For glitters I swatched this one, but it is very chunky, so certainly no. I'm going in with this lighter one. Slightly dabbing it into my lid. I love how concealer is packing it up. With the flat brush, I am going to do my under eye shadow with the same grey and black combination. Because in the waterline, I am going to apply this white kajal because my dress is such. Now I'm going to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. Next up is mascara by My Glam Twisted. Let me show you. It has got this one switch on the top wherein you can bend the applicator or the wand, whatever you call it. Just wiggle at the bottom and push it up. Wiggle at the bottom and push it up. In this way it's easy to apply. I can see the difference. I don't think I need falsies. Don't forget the lower lashes. Next up, I'm using the gel eyeliner and the brush that comes with it. I couldn't really do it on camera in the screen, so I did it in the mirror. Done with the second one, but both are never equal. Always happens to me. आपके साथ भी होता है? Comments में बताओ मुझे. Let's contour the face. I'm going to use the cream and powder both. Powder after the makeup. Using this brown lipstick as a contour in this shade. Forehead, cheekbones and the jawline. And just the lower part of my nose. Start from the hairline and drag it down so that it will not have any harsh edges on your face. For nose, starting from the mid to end, because I think ऊपर का slim ही है मेरा नाक. Little at the bottom of my nose. It should not look very long or fake either. Next up, blush. I don't really have a peach shade, so thinking of using this palette. I think they're pretty colors. What do you think? This too, I think. क्या करूँ? With this blush brush, finally going in with the shade. Start from the mid and drag it to your hairline and blend it well with your contour, तो difference नहीं लगेगा कुछ, or there won't be any harsh lines. I just love how it looks, but certainly need to purchase a blush into peach colors now. Next is highlighter. The nose, wow. The forehead, Cupid's bow, chin and above the cheek, and blend it well with your blush. फिर से edges ऐसे कुछ दिखने नहीं चाहिए, difference दिखना नहीं चाहिए. For the powder contour, I have a palette from Nicka K in two shades. This is very dark, this is little lighter. So going with the lighter one. Just before I step out of my house, I want my contour to stay long. So I like to go with the powder contour. Next are lips. Lip balm always, because my lips are really dry and liquid lipstick और भी dry कर देते हैं lips को, तो balm is must. I'm gonna mix two shades, a lipstick from CoverGirl and liquid lipstick from Disgust Cosmetics. As the eye look is very glamorous, I'm going very light with the lips and going little above my lip lines because foundation था वहाँ पर, तो वो white ऐसा cast दिखना नहीं चाहिए. And also I'm going to apply only one coat of this that's very creamy and stays on for too long. Now setting my makeup with the makeup fixing spray and keep your eyes shut for 2 minutes. I tried doing curls with straightener, turned out to be a soft curls and looks pretty, isn't it? So now I'm going to wear my dress और jewelry और फिर पूरा look दिखाती हूँ. As a first tutorial, I think it's not bad. Whatever I learned in self makeup classes, I can utilize it. If you want me to make more makeup looks, then let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. See you.